Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Remove the speaker cable from the routing tabs on the touchpad button board bracket. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad button board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad button board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the touchpad button board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the touchpad board ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad board ribbon cable from the touchpad board. Remove the three 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad button board bracket to the top cover. Lift the touchpad button board bracket off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Release the touchpad button board from the retention tabs and remove it from the cutout in the top cover. Replacement. Place the touchpad button board into the cutout in the top cover and secure it under the retention tabs. Place the touchpad button board bracket onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the three 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad button board bracket to the top cover. Insert the touchpad board ribbon cable into the touchpad board ZIF connector on the touchpad board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Insert the touchpad button board ribbon cable into the touchpad button board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Apply pressure along the length of the touchpad button board ribbon cable to adhere it to the top cover. Route the speaker cable through the routing tabs on the touchpad button board bracket.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.